Hey guys, it's Bethany from Be Sassy Stickers, and today I'm just going to lay down the base of this super cute kit from Simply Gilded. Once again, it's called the Aloha Kit. How cute is this? Adorable. This I have every single time. I got it from Etsy. It's a cute little shop. I'll put it down below if you're interested in it. This is like their neon washi that I ordered, and it's just so cute. I'm thinking it may go with this kit. It may not. I may just use silver. And I also ordered this from Simply Gilded. Cute. Here is the kit that we're going to use and what it came with. I'll just show you really super quick. Let's see. Come on. I guess I could have taken it out first, but you know, where's the fun in that? Okay, so let's do these first. Okay. Let's see. These are your full boxes, your days of the week, some meeting appointment, groceries, some checklists, some icons, some more full boxes right here, some more full boxes, some sidebar stuff. It's got silver foil, some bow washi headers, some flags with icons, some more boxes. Cute. You have your standard bows that match. I love these little date. How cute is that? It's almost a neon pink. Doesn't quite obviously match this neon pink. That's super neon. It's almost like a hot pink. This is like a baby pink neon. So I don't know if that's going to match, but we're going to try. It also came with these These are shaped like little hearts, but they're icons. And it also came with an extra box and some half boxes. So let's try it out. We'll see what's going to happen. And we'll catch you on the flip side, okay? Thanks. Enjoy. See you at the end.
Oh, and I almost forgot. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment.